Myself Sitaram Prasad Shah. I am working as an institutional development organizer in IFAD project in West Garo Hills district, Tura. Tea factory, actually tea concept was before us. It was implemented in actually horticulture 1980, but marketing was a concern. When our farmers, they cannot sell their products. Actually in 2003, 2004, many farmers, they cannot sell even 3 rupees per kg. So they kept as abandoned. So we have reorganized all the tea farmers in the Garo Hills, and we have formed under the banner of West Garo Hills Tea Farmer Federations. So here all the tea farmers are involved. We have mobilized the farmers, and then we have registered in the Society Act. Then we have decided, this farmer have decided to sell their green leaves to the other states. So we have float the tender also, and after that 2005 onwards they are getting very good price. At present they are getting 9 rupees 50 paisa per kg, which earlier they are getting 3 rupees, now they are getting 9 rupees 50 paisa. And we are selling outside. The same time we thought as a concept, why not we can set up our own factory. So we put up the proposals and forwarded to the district administration. District administration also forwarded to the state, and we got approval under RSBI, Rashtriya Shram Vikas Yojana. We got 1 crore 75 lakhs in the project cost, and the community has contributed 21 lakhs freely. And like from IFAD side also, like from our community project side also, we have contributed near about 4 lakhs, and we have given free services. All the mobilizations, everything we have done through the projects. So now at present, factory is running successfully. It is inaugurated on this month only. This month inaugurated on 4th. So inaugurated by the Honorable P.A. Sangma. So now we are running successfully in tea factory. This tea factory, this is the first kind of tea factory which is run by the totally farmers. It's not by any individual owners. So we, as a project side, we are only facilitating. So the community, they are contributing, and they have even contributed for running the operation cost also. Now they are contributing for the operation cost also. So whatever the income they will earn, all the income, it will go again the dividend for them. Each individual is going to get the individual's dividends in the quarterly, yearly basis. So this factory is fully owned by the community only. All the tea farmers of West Garo Hills, not only the West Garo Hills, here now they are joining the South Garo Hills and East Garo Hills. Farmers are also joining. So after seeing this, the new farmers are also encouraged. Now what they are doing, they are taking care of all the tea farming. Before we have seen, if you go back in 2001, 2002, the farmers are not taking interest because they are kept at abandoned. But now they are taking much care because they are earning it there. We have done just impact study. We have found out each farmers in a weekly average they are getting 7,000 to 10,000 rupees. Like those who have 4 to 7 hectares of tea, they are earning that much of money after paying the labor's payment and everything. They are earning that much of money.